Hi guys, welcome back to our channel DevSec Hacker. Today I would like to show you how we can protect our S3 buckets from malware. So recently AWS has released one new feature where we can protect our S3 buckets from malware using AWS GuardDuty. Let's try to do a hands-on on that. Here I have opened my AWS console. So first of all, let me create one S3 bucket where I want to monitor that S3 bucket for any kind of malware. So for this malware protection demo. So here I have chosen my bucket name as malware protection demo. Okay. So and remaining all are I'm using as it is as a default settings. So I'm going to create a bucket. So if you search, yeah, our bucket has been created. Now let's go to guard duty. So I want to protect that S3 bucket from malware. So on the left hand side, if you can see here, I'm able to see malware protection for S3. So now I want to enable this feature. Okay, for the S3 bucket of malware protection demo. Okay, for this bucket I want to enable this feature. So once it identify any kind of malware within the objects that I am uploading to S3 bucket, it can tag the details like no threads found. If it doesn't found any threads, if it found any malicious content, then it can tag as threads found, something like that. So I'm enabling tag scanned objects. Okay. Create and use new service role. Since GuardDuty has to access S3 buckets and it has to monitor the content, so we need to create an IAM role for this GuardDuty to S3 bucket. So creating that. See, I'm here enabling that. Successfully created the role and successfully created the policy. Still it is loading, so it is enabling actually. See, the malware protection demo for this S3 bucket, this feature has been enabled. Now let's try to upload one malicious file to that S3 bucket. Let's see whether it is able to identify uh, the malicious content or not. See, here I'm trying to upload a file. Okay, see, here I'm trying to upload a file. So it is my vulnerable CSV file. Now I'm uploading it to this S3 bucket. Okay, S3 underscore 02. It has been uploaded. See, this file has been uploaded. Now let's go to GuardDuty, whether it is able to identify the malicious content within that file. Okay, and let me see the malware findings. Hooray! Yeah, a malware scan on your S3 object S3 underscore 2 has detected a security risk. See, it was able to identify the malicious stuff within that CSV file. Okay, so it is the file, and here it has written what kind of malicious content it has been detected. Okay, in this way we can enable malware protection for S3 buckets using AWS GuardDuty malware protection. In the next video, I will show you how we can automate this stuff. For example, whenever you upload any kind of malicious content into the S3 bucket, then immediately a Lambda function has to be triggered and it has to identify whether the file is malicious or not, and it should move to quarantine bucket if it is malicious. So this kind of automation let's do in our next video.